Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello all students in Dروس service for the English language, which is targeted to the third secondary grade first semester. Our lesson today is from Unit 1, Lesson and Discuss, Mega Goal 5, prepared and presented by Noura As-Sufyani. So all of you are welcome in my lesson. Let's start with the objectives of our lesson today. We will learn today names of some famous husbands and wives from history and new vocabulary mentioned in the lesson. First of all, here we have this title, 2 is better than 1. 2 is better than 1. What does it mean? What does it mean? 2 is better than 1. 2 is better than 1. It means the work that is done by two, by couples, is better than, 1. It means that the cooperation and sharing with each other is better. The results for this cooperation will be great, okay? So this is the meaning of 2 is better than 1, and it's related to our lesson today about famous husbands and wives who were together and they made great discoveries or a great job, or great results. So let's know about them. First of all, here, who are some famous husbands and wives from history? Can you mention some names for famous husbands and wives from history, Islamic figures? Now here we have some names. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Khadija, Prophet Ayub and Rahma, Abdurrahman as-Sumayt and Suhaib. We can say that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was supported by his wife Khadija at the beginning of his mission to spread Islam. And we remember that Khadija was calming him down. And this is about Prophet Muhammad and Khadija. Also, we have Prophet Ayub and Rahma. Also, we have read about his biography. Prophet Ayub was sick. He had a dangerous disease, and his wife Rahma was with him. She was patient with him and didn't leave him alone. So this is about Prophet Ayub and Rahma. Also, we have Abdurrahman as-Sumayt and Suhaib. Abdurrahman as-Sumayt, he is an Islamic figure who was trying to spread Islam in non-Muslim areas like Africa. Abdurrahman as-Sumayt and his wife Suhaib traveled to Africa to spread Islam among 11 million persons there. So they were patient to spread Islam. Their mission was great and they did great also. Alright, so this is about famous husband and wives in Islam, What about our lesson today? Our lesson today is about a famous couple. They are Marie and Pierre. We'll listen to a biography about them and then we will answer the questions here. Listen carefully, then answer the following questions. What's the text about? Number 2, why did Mary leave Poland? Number 3, where did Marie and Pierre meet? And number 4, what did they discover together? Let's listen.
1. Listen and discuss.
Marie and Pierre Curie, 1894 to 1906. Maria Skłodowska was born in Warsaw in 1867. She was the daughter of a secondary school teacher. She studied in local schools and received some training in science from her father. Because women were not able to attend university in Poland in the 19th century, Maria left Poland to study at a French university in 1891. Now known by the French name Marie, she worked hard in a laboratory that was owned by Pierre Curie. Pierre Curie was born in Paris in 1859. He received his early education at home and then joined the Faculty of Sciences at the Sorbonne. He was promoted to professor in 1900. Marie and Pierre Curie got married in 1895. Although poor, they were devoted to each other and their research. Their studies of radioactive substances were carried out under difficult conditions. Their laboratory facilities were hardly adequate, and they had to do a lot of teaching to earn a living. In 1898, The couple discovered the elements polonium and radium. They eventually won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1903 for the discovery of radioactivity. When Pierre died in 1906, Marie honored his memory by continuing their work. In 1911, Marie Curie won another Nobel Prize, this time for chemistry. She was the first person to win the Nobel Prize twice.
Alright, now let's discuss some words that are mentioned in the text. Here we have devoted. Although poor, they were devoted to each other and their research. Here, devoted means that they were loyal to each other, okay, although, okay, the bad circumstances, okay, that they have faced. The word adequate here, okay, their laboratory facilities were hardly adequate. Hardly adequate, it means that they weren't enough and sufficient for or to complete their teaching to earn a living, okay? So this is the meaning of adequate. What about eventually here? They eventually won the Nobel Prize for Physics. Eventually, it means at the end or finally. What about honored here? Marie honored his memory. It means that respected his memory. Okay? After listening to the track, answer the following questions. What's the text about? So the text is about famous husbands and wives from history or famous couples. Why did Maria leave Poland? Was the reason that forced her to leave her country, Poland, because of the law that was in Poland in the 19th century that the women weren't allowed to attend university. So here she left Poland and traveled to France to complete her studies and attend French university. So because women weren't able to attend university in Poland in the 19th century, Marie left Poland to study at a French university. Number 3. Where did Marie and Pierre meet? They met in laboratory, okay? Number 4, what did they discover together? They discovered the elements of polonium and radium. They are metallic elements, something related to the chemistry. So they discovered together the elements polonium and radium, okay? Match each word to its meaning. Devoted here, it means dedicated. Number 2, adequate, it means sufficient or enough. Eventually, it means finally. Honored means to show respect for. Okay? So this is all for today, and let's summarize what we have learned today. We learned today that there are many famous couples from history. Our figure here is Marie and Pierre. Marie and Pierre are a husband and a wife who discovered together the elements polonium and radium. Okay? The reference for our lesson today is from Google, Student's Book, Teacher's Guide, and Google Clip Art for pictures. For more information on lesson, okay, you can surf the website here and the Twitter account, and you can call the number. And also here we have iNational Education Portal if you need any information. So this is all for today. Hope to see you inshallah next time. Goodbye.